How to link Google Docs heading. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can link within your Google Docs document. So I'm going to show you the best way you can link your Google Docs heading and any part of in Google Docs you can link with. So there is a two-way I will show you. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Google Docs. Okay, guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs you can Google Docs website. So I just open one my document here. You can see this is my document, and I have some headings like open your Google Doc. This is my heading and all. So okay, so if you have tags and heading, first you need to make the heading. Okay, first I'm going to show you how you can link any heading to the specific text or statistics. So you have to make first heading. Okay, so select that heading which you want to link. Now you need to go in format, go to the paragraph and styles, select the heading number. So I just make it heading 1. So it's make heading 1, same as you can make heading 2. Okay, like this. Okay, so if there is a format different, you can see this both heading are format is different. So you have to select the format which you want to apply to others. Now again go to the format, go to the paragraph heading. Now you need to select the heading where you want to same format. So just go to the heading 2. I want to make heading 2 same as heading 1. So I have to go in heading 2 and go select the update heading to match. So it is matched now. Okay, so I want to link this heading to this. Okay, so I make two heading here. Okay, so I just select this text and want to link heading on this text. Okay, so I just select the text or statistics if you have. Now just right click on it and go to the insert link. So now we need to go in heading and bookmarks. So you can see I have made two heading here. So I have to select the heading which you want to link. I just select first heading. Okay, so it is select now. If someone click on it, it will be bring to the heading which is linked to. Okay, so this is for heading, but if you want to link any specific area to the heading, so I will show you. First you can select the all text or you can select this initial text. Now just click the right and go to the okay, just select the text and go to the show you, go to the insert and go to the bookmark. Then you can see this particular text has some ribbon icon. It will be appear here. So this is ribbon icon. You can copy the link directly from here, or you can share to the other tags or heading. So I want to link this space or tags to this heading. Okay, so I need to I want to select this. I need to select this heading first. Just right click on it, go to the insert link, go again heading and bookmarks. Now you can see bookmark has been created, which we have just created now. Okay, so now you have to select bookmark. Okay, so you can see this bookmark has been linked to this heading. If someone click on it, it will be bring them to the this paragraph or particular part. You can also remove this bookmark like this. It will be removed. Okay, there is no bookmark exit now, so it is removed now. You can also remove this link. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.